Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay, it's grocery day. I'm hot and I have a grocery haul for you guys. I'm not going to do a lot of chatting, or I'm not even probably going to do a meal plan because I don't have a clue about meals. And my grocery haul looks a little weird, but Jackson had some special requests. He is doing soccer. Well, he's trying out for soccer. So he needs a lot of, he said high carb, sweet things, just to replace all that running and carrying on. So this is not what I would typically buy in my groceries, but listen, he out there running around like a crazy person, so I oblige and move forward. So I'll share with you what I was able to get this week in the groceries. My budget is $100. This week I spent $103.97, and I picked up one extra thing for Alana, and she gave me the $5 for it. So we were just about, we've been at $98, $99. I'm here for it. Okay. And then if I hadn't got some of these other things, I'd have been lower. At my food line, though, I think they're doing floors tonight, so they're closing at 10. And I was in the produce. I'm way late going for my groceries. Normally I go to the grocery store first thing in the morning when I'm on break. And so the entire produce section was taken away. So there were a couple things that Jackson asked for that I could not get because they didn't have the produce section out. It was gone. And then there were two things for chicken that I was going to pick up. We don't need chicken, but they had it on sale as a buy one, get one. And I was going to pick those up because Jackson does like to make chicken. And they were out of those as well. So it just was weird to me. And I'm sweating, y'all. I'm sorry. Because when I normally go in there, my food line is pretty stocked. They're pretty well stocked on a Wednesday because today is the first day of sales rolling. But this was very unusual. But again, it's after 6. I don't normally go after 6. Anywho, let me show you what I got. Alrighty, y'all. So this is my grocery haul. It looks a little random, but trust me, it's what we needed. So sister asked for some apple juice. This is no sugar added. That was $4.99, I believe. Jackson asked for bagels, so I got the mini bagels. I didn't feel like he needed a whole one. Those were like $4.89 or $5.89. I don't remember. They were not on sale, though. These Blue Bunny little mini swirl ice creams, I picked those up. They were 2 for $5. 2 for $5? Yes. These Cheez-It Grooves, I picked those up. They were $3. Jackson asked for Greek yogurt. He said vanilla would be fine. That was $3.99. 2 milks. We normally get 2. I got the unsweetened original, which the kids really like. And then the unsweetened vanilla, which I like if I ever get any of it. This Berry Colossal Crunch, the just generic brand, I picked that up for Jackson. That was $1.99 with a coupon. Raisin Bran is what I usually eat to try to, promote some regularity. That was $2.99. And then they had the large box of the Apple Cinnamon Cheerios, and those were 2 for $5. We needed chili powder, picked that up, and then red pepper flake, we're out of that. I picked up a big thing of water for me, and then some of the Sara Lee honey wheat bread. Sister asked for sandwich meat, so I did pick up sandwich meat for sandwiches. We do have some sliced cheese in the fridge. We're going to be doing another jam session, so I picked up some jalapenos because I pickled mine last night, and I'm fresh out, and there aren't any more out in the garden just now. Picked up grapes and these Pringle things for Jackson. And then I also picked up some sugar-free cinnamon roll coffee creamer. 2 things of blueberries and strawberries because we're going to do strawberry mixed berry jalapeno jam. We're out of that. Sister asked for ranch dressing, so I picked that up for her. And then Jackson asked for popsicles. So these are cherry pineapple popsicles. They did have some that were sugar-free, but he asked for something with some sugar to kind of give him back that boost after all that running around for soccer. Picked up 2 things of shredded cheese and 1 thing of decaf coffee. I have not had decaf coffee in a minute. Honestly, I have really decreased my coffee consumption a ton. And so if I am going to drink it, I prefer to drink it decaf. This is our haul for this week. I am getting ready to do some icebox pickles because I have these and I don't want those to go bad. I have a cabbage I need to use. We're getting ready to make some tomato sauce and can, and then I'm going to use this for jam. So I'm getting ready to do this jam really quickly, and the icebox pickles really quickly. That should not take me overly long. And I just picked these out of the garden yesterday. And so garden produce, it does not tend to do very well out. So I want to use it now and make sure that I can adequately use up what I am producing. I have some eggshells. These are actually going to be crushed up to put out in the tomato beds because we do have worms. I did see a worm yesterday and it hurt my feelings. So I'm going to actually crush those up, take those out, and put them in the beds. Hopefully they will scratch themselves and bust their stomachs open when they crawl over them. And I mean that in Jesus' name. Very good. Okay. So we're going to put up these things, but this is the grocery haul for this week. I do have a watermelon from last week that I'm getting ready to cut up. Grapes, we'll just use those as we need to for snacking. And we didn't really need a ton. We have meat in the freezer. We did a really good job of cleaning out the fridge this week, so we don't have a lot of leftovers. And that's on purpose. I just don't want to have food running. So let's use it up what we have, and all will be well. The other thing, all the freezers are full, and so we just really need to be eating down what's in there. So I'm going to get started on some of these other projects for FaithWorks Farmstead, and yeah, that's going to be about it for this grocery haul. So we do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to do all the things: share, like, subscribe, hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. We're excited to bring you all the things that happen over here at our house. And of course, on Thursdays, when you'll see this video, it is always grocery day. If you're doing something different, let us know. We are gearing up. I am gearing up to do the Make Everything Count challenge from Jessica over at Three Rivers Homestead. She's going to be, trying to preserve something every day in the month of August. And so I am going to try to do that as well. I don't know if I have enough to do something every day, but I'm going to do my very best to preserve something as many days of August as I can. So I don't know how much of that I will chronicle, or, I'm not really sure how much of it I'll get done, but I'm going to give it my best try. Anywho, thanks again for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.